Okay, welcome back. So let's quickly go back to arrays and learn more things about array. So we want to learn how to upload an array now. We have different ways of uploading the files in array. So okay, now we have declared a variable called cars, and then we have mentioned different cars, Lexus, ML, Rafa. It seems this is how I love them. I love Lexus a lot. So that Lexus, then hey, I also love ML, Rafa, Camry, and all of that. I don't actually love small cars. I love big cars. So Lexus and ML, RAV4, Camry, Corolla, and all of that. So how do we upload them? There is a way we can do that. Everything inside these arrays will be uploaded on our web page. So document.write or whichever one you like. You can use document.write and you can use console.log. Okay. So we can use the what is this now? We can use the what is it called? We can use the to string method to write it. So if you want to upload it using to string method, so we just come here and write what's the name of our variable, cars, right, dot, then to string. So remember your toe will be small letter while your string will start with capital letter. To string, then you open the parameter. So when you save it this way and then come back here to refresh, so you're going to have Lexus, ML, RAV4, everything being mentioned. But there is another way, and if you can see now, the separator is comma now. So we use comma. This one automatically uses comma to separate it. But there's another way in which you can declare the separator you want yourself. So how do we do that? We use the join method. So cast.join. Then you declare your quotation. You declare a double quotation, and then you input the method in which you want to use to separate them. Let's say we want to use asterisk now. So but because so that there will be space between them, declare space between these asterisk before and after the asterisk, so you can add space. So let's go and check this way. Let's come here to refresh and you're going to see. So can you see now? So this is now a new separator we have. So it's either used to string or you use join. Join can let you select the kind of separator that you want, but in case of to string, it's going to be comma automatically. All right, see you in the next class.